Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to shorten your Canva document links so they look cleaner, more professional, and are super easy to share. If you've ever tried sending someone a Canva design, you already know how ridiculously long those links can be. They stretch across your screen, take up space in emails, and just look messy. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn that long link into a short, sleek version that's perfect for sharing anywhere. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Canva account and go to the design you want to share. Once your design is open, look at the top right corner of your Canva window. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a panel will pop up showing different sharing options. You'll notice one that says Copy Link. Click that button. What this does is copy your Canva document's URL straight to your clipboard, so it's ready to go. Now that's still the long version of your link, and we're here to make it short and sweet. Next, open a new tab in your browser and head over to tinyurl.com. That's tinyurl.com. This website is super simple to use. Once it loads, you'll see a box right in the center where it says something like, Enter a long URL to make tiny. Click inside that box and paste your Canva link, the one you just copied. Now hit the Make Tiny URL or Shorten URL button, depending on what version you see. And just like that, within seconds, tinyurl will generate a shortened link for you. You can click to copy it, save it somewhere safe, or even bookmark it if you plan to share it often. That's it! You've successfully shortened your Canva document link using tinyurl. Now when you share your design, whether it's in an email, a presentation, or even in a text message, your link will look polished and professional without taking up half the screen. It's a small trick that makes a big difference when it comes to keeping your digital content clean and organized. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Canva and productivity tips. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.